Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Google Assistant using your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. And firstly, you need to use the right earbud. Right here we have a circle, this actually a touch area. To call Google Assistant you need to press and hold at this touch area. Now I called Gemini because it's set up on this phone, but if you didn't set up the Gemini, you will call Voice Assistant, I mean Google Assistant. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!